Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Pusheen as a unicorn. So first let's get started by drawing in our eyes. So on the right hand side we're going to draw in a circle. And then moving over on the left, leaving a gap, let's replicate that again. Now on the top left hand side of both eyes we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. For the mouth in the middle, we're going to curve this line up on both sides. And then underneath, just drawing in an arch line from left to right. Now for the arm on the inside on the left, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then lining that up at the same height on the right hand side, we'll replicate that. Let's move down for the legs now, curving this line up on the left hand side and then back down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the shape of the body. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. For the ear on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then in that corner on the right, we'll replicate that again, bringing that up and then back down. In the middle, we're going to draw in the unicorn horn, bringing this up at a point in the middle. And then from that center, we're going to bring in another diagonal line that comes down on the right. In the middle, let's draw in two diagonal lines that come across to the right. In the center, we're going to draw in an arch line, curving that up. And then on both sides of that, we're going to replicate that again, bringing that up, ending it so it ends in the corner where our ear starts. Let's draw on the left-hand side of the body now. So starting back on this line, we're going to continue to bring this line around and then in. For the tail, starting beside that, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line out and then up. And then starting back on this line again, we're going to continue to curve this line in towards the side of the body. Let's close off the rest of our body now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then bringing that in at the bottom. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in towards the side. Let's draw the moon here now. So on the right-hand side on the top, we're going to curve this line in. From this point, we're going to arch this line back, around, and then up. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line in towards the side. Let's draw the whiskers now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes out, lining that up at the same height. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then moving down again one more time, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out on the bottom. Let's draw the wings behind now. So to the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that. Moving down again, making this shorter, we're going to curve this line in. And then again, one more time as we drop down, we're just going to curve that in towards the side. Moving in behind for the hair now, on the top, we're going to curve this line out. And we'll bring this in towards our horn. Now on the left, we're going to bring this line out and then in on the side. Dropping below that, we're going to curve this line back out. And then again, moving down, leaving a gap, we're going to make that even longer out towards the side. From that corner, we're going to curve this line back in. And then dropping down again one more time. Let's replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Pusheen as a unicorn. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.